Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a 2.2 GDPS for iOS. As you can see, I've made a tool that makes it very easily. First, it is going to download the 2.2 IPA because we're going to need it for the next steps. After that, it will ask us to enter our GDPS name. In my case, I'm going to call it the GDPS. Then we need a bundle ID. It is in this format, and you can do whatever you want. You can just replace a letter, or if you want to really customize it, you can put a very customizable one, like in my case this one. Then we need the GDPS URL. In my case, I'll put this and press enter. It will decompress our IPA file that we just got so that it can do all of these changes. As you can see, it takes no time to just edit the IPA. It's going to be in the decompress and compressing part, which will take some time. And here you go, as you can see, it finished compressing and done. By doing there, here we go, we got our IPA file, which is ready to use. Thank you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and see you guys later. Bye.